Mayong gabi, mga igala, mayong adlaw, mayong udto, mayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Welcome to Cebuano 101. This video is the part 4 of our word-for-word tutorial from our vlog number 2. Now, let's listen first to the video.
Mama, nag-unsa ka?
Nanglimpyo ko sa isda.
Unsa na nga isda?
Kani?
Ah,
Lapu-lapu.
unsaon na nimo pagluto?
Sabawan. Pinulang isda. Okay, the first one. Nag-unsa ka. What are you doing? Nag-unsa ka. What are you doing? Unsa is what. And when you say nag-unsa, it means basically what doing. Okay? Nag-unsa. And then ka, it means you. Okay? One more time. Say, what are you doing in Bisaya? Nag-unsa ka? Nag-unsa ka? Now let's go to the second sentence. Nanglimpyo ko sa isda. I'm cleaning the fish. Nanglimpyo ko sa isda. I'm cleaning the fish. Nanglimpyo means cleaning. Ko is I. Sa is the. And then fish is isda. Say, I'm cleaning. Nanglimpyo ko. Say fish in Bisaya. Isda. Say, I'm cleaning the fish. Nanglimpyo ko sa isda. Number 3. What fish is that? Unsa na nga isda. Unsa na nga isda. What is unsa? Na is that. It is the short form of kana. So unsa na, it means what's that? And then we have the nga linker here. In this question, we connect unsa na to isda using the nga linker. And again, isda is fish. Say, what fish is that? Unsa na nga isda. Say, what is that? Unsa na. Alright, now let's go to the last sentence. Unsaon na nimo pagluto. How are you going to cook that? Unsaon na nimo pagluto. How are you going to cook that? Unsaon is how. Na, again, is a short form of kana, which means that. Nimo, you. Pagluto is cook. The prefix pag here, it means how it is being done or how it is going to be cooked. So, pagluto. That is pagluto. Now let's have a review. Say, how are you going to cook that? Unsaon na nimo pagluto. How to say, what are you doing? Nag-unsa ka. How to say, I'm cleaning. Nanglimpyo ko. Say, I'm cleaning the fish. Nanglimpyo ko sa isda. How to say, what fish is that? Unsa na nga isda. Say, what's that? Unsa na.
Mama, nag-unsa ka?
Nanglimpyo ko sa isda.
Unsa na nga isda?
Kani?
Oh.
Lapu-lapu.
Unsaon na nimo pagluto?
Sabawan. Pinulang isda. Before we end this lesson, mga higala, I'd like to invite you to head over to my Lazada store. I have promotions going on there and vouchers for you guys. So if you want to buy my learning kits, books, the children's books, and flashcards, the link is in the description box, mga higala. And also, if you purchase my products on my site, I am still offering a free shipping above 2,500. So if you want to go that route, you can enjoy free shipping anywhere in the Philippines. So but for Lazada, I have some vouchers for you guys there. That's all for today, mga higala. Daghang salamat og amping kanunay. Bye.